Today, I will introduce you to 10 natural and nutritious food groups that you can rely on for holistic health. 1. Starch-free vegetables, leafy and cruciferous greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, along with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower or Brussels sprouts, are low in carbohydrates but rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. You can enjoy these in abundance by choosing varieties with less than 5% carbohydrates. These vegetables provide the body with essential building blocks. 2. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries are fruits that stand out for their low sugar content and high fiber and antioxidant content. Why are they important? Low sugar load. Their low glycemic index keeps blood sugar fluctuations to a minimum. High fiber regulates the digestive system and provides a feeling of fullness. Antioxidant power. They protect cells from free radical damage and slow down the effects of aging. Heart and blood vessel friendly. They have blood pressure regulating and cholesterol improving effects. 3. Animal protein and fish. Meat, poultry, fish. Some animal proteins, especially fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, are rich in essential amino acids in omega-3. The source of meat is as important as its quality. For example, grass-fed beef or wild-caught fish should be preferred. 4. Eggs. Pasture-raised, free-range chicken eggs. Eggs from high-quality fed chickens, pasture-raised, stand out with their dark orange yolks, rich nutritional content, and higher vitamin content. This is directly linked to the chickens being raised in natural living conditions. 5. Natural fats and fat sources. Butter, olive oil, coconut oil, MCT, tallow/lard. Fats are a misunderstood macronutrient group. Natural, minimally processed, cold-pressed fats, such as butter, extra virgin olive oils, coconut oil, provide unique benefits. Organic and natural animal-based fats, tallow, lard, are also worth considering. However, remember that toxins can accumulate in fats, so opt for organic sources. 6. Nuts. Macadamia, pecan, walnut, almond. When consumed raw, their nutritional value is preserved. They are nutritious due to their low carbohydrate, high fat, and fiber content. Types such as macadamia and pecan, in particular, contain less carbohydrates and have a balanced fat-protein ratio. 7. Seeds. Chia, flax, hemp, pumpkin seeds. Seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3. They can be added to smoothies, breads, or puddings. However, it is generally more beneficial to eat them raw, as their nutritional value can be compromised by heat treatment. 8. Avocado. With its creamy texture, avocado is an excellent source of fat that provides a feeling of fullness and can be easily incorporated into meals. It is low in carbohydrates, high in fat, and contains important micronutrients, making it an ideal choice, especially during fasting periods. 9. Root and tuber vegetables. Sweet potatoes, carrots, beets, Jerusalem, artichokes, etc. Although they contain starch, they are a good choice for those seeking high-quality carbohydrates. They should be used in limited amounts for individuals with carbohydrate sensitivity, but they add variety to balanced diets and can serve as an alternative to sweets. 10. Spices and herbs. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, parsley, etc. These foods do not contain macronutrients. However, they reduce inflammation, support immunity, and add flavor to meals through their vitamin, mineral, and other bioactive compounds. Despite their natural medicinal effects, they should be used as food, not as medicine. Dark chocolate with 78–85% cocoa content. To satisfy your sweet tooth, dark bitter chocolate has a lower sugar content based on its cocoa content, e.g. 78% or 85%, and satisfies you with smaller portions. I recommend choosing these percentages to reduce sugar intake. Your taste preferences change over time. As you get used to it, you will also enjoy the more intense cocoa flavor. Here are 10 foods you should definitely eat for your health. But remember, a healthy lifestyle is not just about these foods, but also your daily habits. Drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. So what healthy foods are on your list? Share them with me in the comments. If you found the information in this video helpful, Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.